Today we are going to learn list comprehension with if else. Now let's get started. Here the task is if you got even number you need to square it. If you got an odd number you need to cube it. Now let's start coding. I need the results in a list, so I'm going to create an empty list. Inside that I'm going to write a code. I need to iterate the numbers list. So for num in nums, and here the condition is if I got an even number then I need to square it. So I'm going to add this condition. If I got an even number I need to square, so it would be num star star 2. In Python double star represent power operator, and on else condition I need to cube them, num star star cube. Now that's it. We just need to print the results. Now save our code and run. Here you can see it has given us the expected result. For odd number it did cube. 1 cube is 1. For even number it did square. 2 square is 4. 3 cube is 27. 4 square is 16. Thanks for watching.